What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys some at-home ab exercises you can do on your own. I'm going to show you some common mistakes people make and how to correct them. I'm also going to show you little modifications you can do so it's going to be more optimal for abdominal development. I apologize ahead of time for the background noise. We're pretty close to a busy road, but you still get some pretty good knowledge out of this, so just bear with me and let's get started. Basic leg raises. The thing with leg raises is when we do them, it's a lot of hip flexion, right? Hip flexor, then your abdominals start taking over. So to eliminate the hip flexor aspect of it, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start our position from here. And remember, to work your abdominals, it's spinal flexion, right? So just that small motion where I'm flexing my spine just a little bit, and that small motion right there, it's gonna work my abdominals way more than if I were to go all the way down right here and come up. Now, this is not wrong. You can do a leg raise, but if you really wanna focus on your core, I would say start about right here, and remember always to flex your spine, meaning my butt is gonna come off a little bit, and it's gonna tilt, and that's gonna activate my core, just so. About anywhere from 10 to 20 of these. Okay, so next we'll go over bicycles. A common mistake you'll see with bicycles is people pulling on their neck, right? Not only does it set you up for injury, it doesn't really do much. You'll see people doing this. Really what's gonna help, or what's key, is getting your shoulder blades off the floor, right? See how my shoulder blades are nice and high? And then incorporating a twist. Now with bicycles, another mistake is these little knee motions that people have. What you want to do, you want to completely extend your opposite leg, right? And then connect your elbow at the knee. You see how my shoulder blades are nice and high, and my leg is off the floor, but nice and close to the floor. And exaggerating that twisting motion, just as so. So avoid pulling your neck and having these little motions, and extend and connect, just as so. Next, we're gonna go over Russian twist. So a common mistake with Russian twist is this. People just tap the floor. This isn't gonna work your abdominals that much. Basically, all it's doing is abdominal stabilization, if anything. What you wanna do is actually twist your upper body. This is gonna work your obliques. So avoid tapping and actually twist, just as so. For those of you who find Russian twist difficult, you can keep your feet on the floor, lean back, and it's the same thing. Twist. Exaggerate the twisting motion. So now that we got all these modifications and corrections out of the way, we're actually gonna utilize these exercises and we're gonna put them in a circuit. So we're gonna start with these half rep leg raises first. And we're gonna do 10 of them, right? Right into bicycles for 10. Each knee. Finishing off with Russian twist. I did 11 bicycles, I'm pretty sure. Ten-second break and repeat.
Just remember, guys, abs are made in the kitchen, so you can do as many exercises as you want, but you won't get any results without the low body fat. And to do so, you need a proper diet. So make sure you're eating right and getting all the nutrients you need. See you in the next video. Peace, love, and health. Thanks for watching.